Hello guys, how are you? I'm Mehdi. I'm here to explain to you how you can create a new profile or administrator profile and guest profile and any profile we have in PC in a work group network. We can create it. So without any further ado, let's talk about that and let's create a new profile for our PC, guys. And that access to another PC, another users wants to log on in our PC, guys. Let's do it. The first thing you should do is just press the Window and R key at the same time, and it comes up. The running window comes up, and you can type luser mgr.msc. By pressing the enter, you can see the window of local user management. You can create some users for your computer, guys. The first user we have is administrator. If you can see, the administrator here with that sign is disabled. If you wanna log on your in your computer by administrator users, you just click on that, double click on that, and you should you just disable this account is disabled. You just should press on that and just click on that to remove activated, yeah, because of that it's caused to enable, yeah. When it's not checked for that, when you check this, your account, your user is gonna be disabled. By when you want to use this user, you should click on that, and yeah. Yeah, and about this option, password never expires. We put it. Yeah, we leave it and we leave it by default because we don't care about the expiration here. We just want to create one and use administrator users here, yeah. And the next option is user cannot change password. It's obviously for administrators to always access to any part of a computer, but about this option we leave it again, and we just config the account is disabled. Just remove that this check and just apply. You should remove this check from account is disabled because of your account gonna be enabled if it's not checked, yeah. Just apply, press that, and okay, yeah. And you can see here your account is enabled, guys, yeah. And you can put it in about the security. Always you should change the name of administrator because all network expert know about the administrator name of your account. It by default built in by when you install the Windows on your computer, it's a built-in, yeah. It's built-in user, yeah. But we want to change the name of administrator. For example, we just want to write the name, yeah, name on that. Just we write yeah, admin, or you can write any name you want about the administrator users, guys, like Ali, yeah, Ali, yeah, just Ali, it's okay, I think. About the name of these, administrator user, it's okay. And we have administrator. Now we want to put a password on Ali administrator. How we should do that? Just right click on that and set a password. We have just proceed, and yeah, just new password. I put a new password for that. Then I'm not gonna tell you what my password is, but it's okay, guys. It's just the password. You just use that. The password has been set completely. Now we set a administrator users on this computer. Let's log on with Ali, guys, on this PC, guys. Let's do it. Just by pressing Windows and no, about this is the VMware machine, and just you should click on that. Just lock, yeah, lock that. And I want to log in with this Ali administrator users, guys. I'm just putting the password and write my password that I set on Ali users. Oh, what is my password? I forgot that. Yeah. See, guys, I can access to this PC by administrator users, guys, that I've set. Yeah, this is the way you should create administrator users. Yeah, and about, let's log in with that, and I will show you about the next, actually creating new users. This configuration just about the enable administration users, but when we log in this on this computer, I'm showing you how we can create a new users on these computers. Yes, you can see I'm logging with Ali users. Yeah, this is an administrator. How we can understand this is a administrator user. Just click window and R together. Press that. Press the window and R at the same time, and comes up a running window here, and just again type lsrmgr.msc, and you can see the users here, and we have a Ali, we have a Mehdi, and we have a, let's create a new one. Yeah, guys, and how we can understand Ali is the administrative, just click on that and properties. You go to the member of option, and you can see the administrators here. By that you can understand Ali is the administrators of this PC, guys. Yeah, and yes, let's create a new users, guys. By creating new users, you can also actually click right in this area, a new user you can see. Yeah, just write users, guys. Yeah, how you can create, like you should write yeah, and I can write like Leo. Yeah, that's a good name, Leo. This is the username. Username mostly it's combination of the first name, like always in all organization. We should have a structure for creating username, and yes, just the first name, you can just a letter of the first name, just write L dot, and yeah, it might be better, let me write with S or M. Yeah, M is okay. M, and the next part of the username should be the last name of the users. Yeah, about when you want to work in an organization, you should have a structure for naming for each users, guys. Yeah, and M dot, for example, yeah, Vakili. Yeah, this kind of thing. M dot Vakili, and full name you can write, for example, yeah, Mohsen Vakili. Yeah, this is the full name. It's gonna show you when you are logging in your PC. It's gonna show you the full name of your users on a screen, guys. Yeah, and description, you can write anything you want about the memorizing, why you build this user, why, and actually what's the access of this user. You can write anything memorable for yourself, guys. Yeah, and the last part is password. Obviously, I just put a easy password for this user to log in easily, and yeah, just I think is okay. This password is gonna be okay, guys. Yeah, and option, what's option here, guys? The first one is users must change password at next login. About the policy of your organization, you should check this part or you might not. It depends on your organization, guys. And about the icon is disabled. When you check this, yeah, absolutely, this user is gonna be disabled, but we don't want to. We want to use these users, guys. Yeah. And about the other option is just about it's. You can see that it's unclear. Yeah, because of that, it's just a user. We just made a user. It's not an administrator. Yeah, it's just the users, guys. And yes, we completely fill almost fill all the blank part. Yeah, let's create a new users together. Yeah, when you actually click on create, and it's also created, it means because of that it's blank, it means you want to create a new one or not. If you don't want to create a new one, just close that, and after closing you can completely get that, oh my goodness, my users here, yeah, is built, my users has been created. Yeah, yeah, you can use it. This is the user guy. You should write it in the first part of the login, and the second part of the login you should write your password. Yeah? You should write here m.vakili, and this full name gonna show you on a screen. Yeah, and you can understand this is exactly your users gonna be. And let's do it together, guys, to access to this. And let's check about the properties to what's a member of these users. Can you see, guys? This is the member of this user. This user is just the users that don't have any access, the high level of the accessibility. Yeah, and yeah, just the users just can do some of ordinary jobs it has. Yeah, just the users. It's not administrative users like Ali. Yeah, they can see that member of administrators. Got it, guys? Yeah, this is the part of explanation of the creating users, enabling administrator users, and yeah, and this, I hope this video will help you help you to understand very well about creating a new users and enabling administrators users on your computer. Let's do it, guys, together and log on with this user that I've created. Yeah, let's look at that again. Here we have log again. Yeah, we have it. Yes, we can see that. We can see the full name on the screen, that profile, and just put a password, guys. User's password must be changed before signing. This is the user account, and our policy of organization set this because of the security is really important for us, guys. Yes, and I put a new password for myself because this, I'm a user, IT man, not gonna know about my password. Yeah, the responsibility of my account just on by my own. Yeah, and you should know about it. New password is, I put it another new password, guys. Here, let me write the yeah, is that okay? Is that okay, guys? Now go to changing your password. Your password has been changed, and welcome. You can see completely. We success to actually access to our users, guys. Yeah, and this is the way you can create a new users, guys, for your PC. Now this is your turn to practice to create a new users and log on to it, and know about the users actually availability of any access, if you want to have, yeah, these are the explanations for creating a new users, guys. And yes, if you got a question, you can ask me in a comments below. And yeah, that's a really wonderful things. And if you like this video, just please like this video to make me satisfied about creating, and I'm keeping forward to creating to a next video about another topic of network. And yes, just peace out.